At Sadhana Forest in Auroville, Pondicherry, living off the grid is a way of life. Here, they endeavor to bring back endangered native forests and wildlife with the help of volunteers. Over 1,300 volunteer travelers arrive at Sadhana's solar powered campus, nestled in a restored native forest every year. They get a chance to try out delicious plant based meals and are encouraged to use biodegradable amenities even as they learn more about sustainable practices that can help save water and reduce, recycle, or compost waste. Sadhana Forest also offers free tours and other community building activities, including an eco film club.